The sun is a mass of radiance of incandescent gas, a gigantic time out, guys. I've got to take this. It's my babysitter. Where the hydrant is built to be. Babysitter? Hello, Mrs. Bun. Is everything okay? Oh, is he now? Hey, Aradale, I'm not touching you. Don't. No, it's good you called. Could you put him on the phone, please? Still not touching you, bra dog. Guys, come on! Babybones, it's way past your bedtime. You need to listen to Mrs. Buns and lay down for your nap. Beep! I'm sure she's just fine at reading Fluffy Bunny. I'm going to kill you. I'm Legion, bro. Lol. Come on, guys, you're embarrassing me. Well, maybe. My voice are better, but where did you find these cycles? You don't want to know. Ran, whoosh. Papyrus, that's just rude. You apologize to Mrs. Bun this instant, young man. She's a very nice lady. You're going to hurt her feelings. Saying she smells bad. Expelled. Blah. The Mrs. Bun in my universe smells like horradish and ass. You can smell her coming from miles away. Good man. Now go show Mrs. Bun what good listener you are and go to bed nicely. Babybones. Okay, just one, then straight to bed. Hush, little puppy, don't say a word. Brother's going to buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird it's a spider, oh stars, a murderer! Brother's gonna chop Simon's diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, oh my, so much violent! I like it. Well, that's new from science. Brother's going to write a scientific article, and if that article don't correctly present in case, Brother's going to build a rocket to outer space, and if that rocket to make it up the ground, you see the most awesome, amazing, super cool baby brother around. Those were some funky fresh rhymes, bruh. Yes. Okay, now off to bed, Babybones. I'll be home in a while. I just want to say goodbye to everyone before I head out. Most of them were very kind. Looks like Team Fresh is blasting off again. No one's cool as you, bro. Well, I did meet the president of the Friendship Club. You know, I thought I would make a good president of Friendship too. You better shut up if you want to stay alive, nerd. But I think he's a bit more clever and dedicated to be the position, and then I gave first him credit for. Yes, he's very nice. Oh shoot. I'll ask, but no promise. Now off to bed, you. Love you too, Babybones. Bye. Sorry about that. I've really got to get going though. I think my sitter's about to lose it.
Science has equipped serious face.
Well, Blue, it's obvious that you've outmotivated me this time. I'll accept any punishment the rightful president of Friendship Club has offered. I just ask that you show Edge licency, since he would never have turned traitor if I hadn't seduced him to the dark side in his time of weakness. Seduce? What now? I see. Even so, treason is treason, and none shall be spared. I understand. Hey now, for your crime, you're both hereby sentenced to friendship hug! What the fuck? Not going to happen. Oh, my brother wanted to know if I could get a picture of the friendship club. Would that be okay, you guys? Absolutely. Is that Papyrus? Oh my stars! He's so tiny! Yeah, that's my Babybones, alright. Okay, everyone huddle together and say, friendship! Holding fresh with friends. Friendship!
Flash!
Okay, thanks, bye! Guess he's really in a hurry. He need to get back to his baby brother in a hurry. I don't think I can show you the friendship club after all.
What the funk?
It's funk. Uptown funk, you know? You have betrayed me not. Red? Are you okay? Where's the eggnog? I need it now. Where the goddamn is the eggnog? God damn it. Okay, bye, El Diablo.
Ow, no!
Fast as fuck, boys. Okay, not fast as funk. The edge is in some uncomfortable situation. Help! Oh, come on. You're not such a wimp, are you?
This is the Hardovine art, so yeah. Go make sure to, follow our Tumblr or something. And make sure to subscribe, god dang it.